Alright, today I'm going to be drilling into my bumper. About time I do it. It's not one to hold no more, so I'm going to do it now. Pretty easy. Make sure you get your quick release. Got this Amazon like what, $15–10. Turn your wheel. Clean it, make sure dirt. Where you're gonna drill it at. Mask off where you're gonna drill. Put a tape. I'm gonna do right here. Or right here. Let's see. So once you know where you want it at, you tape it off. You double check, see where you want it again. Yeah, put it do right here on the fender. I'm gonna do it a half an inch apart. Get your drill bit. Leave a mark where you're gonna drill it at. Make sure you get the drill bit the right size. Start small first, then go up and up on bigger size. I don't want to do this, but I have to. Okay, after you drill the hole, put this in. Washer in the back of your fender. And then your nut. And just screw it in. Okay, so once you're done with tightening everything up, this one is loose. I need to tighten it up. I don't have access to the toolbox because it's locked. so I'll tighten up later when I get back. So just do this, tighten it up, then when you're done, adjust your bumper. And you're good. Or you can do it the other way. The crossway for more tension. Or my favorite, zip tie it. So this basically, you just adjust your bumper, get everything, tighten it down. Either do the crossway or the regular way, or zip tie it. My favorite one is to zip tie. I wait until this break, then I zip tie it. This is how you install your quick release bumper. Okay, so I got everything tightened down. Well, not tightened down yet, but I got everything in. See, everything's sitting more better now. Freaking hate it. Everything's like popping out. Missing my grill because I'm doing take out the bumper later today to my fog lights. Yep, look pretty good. Sitting way better. Before it was freaking poking out like crazy.